People pay tributes to Manipuri martyrs who sacrificed their lives for the freedom of their motherland on Kongjom Day. Month-long 5th anniversary observance of High Court of Manipur concludes today. Chief Minister Biren says efforts on priority basis are on to fill in inadequacies of the fast-track court. And Amuko appeals government for immediate or long-term interventions for helping surviving family members of road accidents in the unfortunate death of the breadwinner. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Tangtam, bringing you the top stories. State-level Kongjom Day was observed at Kongjom War Memorial Site in Kebaching to pay tributes to Manipuri martyrs who sacrificed their lives for the freedom of their motherland in the Kongjom War of 1891 against the British. Impact News reporter Khetri Mayum Premchand brings you a report in this regard.
The Kongjom Day is observed on 23rd April of every year to pay tribute to the brave sons of Manipur who laid down their lives during Anglo-Manipur War 1891. The government of Manipur today organized state-level functions here at Kebaching Kongjom War Memorial Complex, and the governor of Manipur, Dr. Nazma A. Haptullah, and Chief Minister Nongthomam Biren led the peoples paying homage to the martyrs of the state. Governor, Chief Minister and other cabinet ministers, MLAs and top-ranking civil and police officers have took part in the functions. They offered floral tribute to the memorial site and also at the statue of Honorable Javasi and also at the Kongjom River. Addressing the observance, the Governor of Manipur, Dr. Nazma Haptullah, appealed to the people of Manipur that unity is the most strength of all the time and we have to maintain unity in this state.
जो motherland के लिए, the spirit they have, the love they have for the motherland, the courage they have, which made them to fight against the British. Unity is the most important thing. Whenever in the society people are not united, then the foreign powers have taken.
The drama called Kongjom War, which is based on Kongjom War, also stake in the observance. And also the Kongjom Prava recital was also performed in the function. Addressing to the function, Chief Minister of Manipur appealed to the people of Manipur that we have to leave the concept of mono-ethnic thought and maintain unity all the time.
Kanna sunomduna khwegi taksigasi sagatpa amagi matakta marukta nungsino korno honobasne khwegi maroiba panda moigedabani kangluk khodimak tokhai tabi wakal thadung naduna apunba Manipur amagi saktam manhandana thamba matam moile aikhoi hojik naga gi natragana kuki gi natragana maitai gi natragana muslim gi haina koi wak to matam natte apunba Manipur amagi Manipuri moine khoi Manipuri naga moina Manipuri kuki moina Manipuri Muslim moina Manipuri maitai se moine khoi leminer be khoi punna wak to minaba apunba Manipur gi wangang ba apunba Manipur gi thabok to matam moile July natraga August phangudar ba dum session du dai khoi pukhalaga bill pass or kanda yellow ngai de leminer klaba Manipuri furupun pu ngapthok chanaba gi bill lama semgani.
Lack of unity among the rulers of those days made British easier to interfere the affairs of the state. So that is the key factor for causing of Kongjom War, that is the Anglo-Manipuri War. Paying tribute to the martyrs would be more meaningful only when the people of Manipur learn from the past for our bright future. With camera person Sungam Subhas, this is Khetri Premchand, Impact News, Kebaching.
People paid floral tributes today and observed 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to the freedom fighters of Manipur who sacrificed their lives for the freedom of their motherland in the 1891 Kongjom War. Floral tributes were paid to Pauna Brajabasi, Chinglen Sena and Hairang Kongja at the Kongjom War Memorial event organized by Justice Committee for Anglo-Manipuri War 1891 Martyrs and Victims of Kanglei Park, Manipur as a part of the first Anglo-Manipuri War 1891 Commemoration Month 2018 at Rup Mahal Theatre, BT Road today. Speaking on the occasion, President of United Committee of Manipur, Elangbam Johnson, said the Kongjom Day is observed every year on April 23rd in commemoration of the Anglo-Manipuri War of 1891. However, a question arises whether the battle was fought only at Kongjom battlefield. He said the war was fought in different battlefields of the state and many soldiers laid down their lives for the motherland. Johnson opined that it will be wrong for the government to recognize only the war that occurred at Kongjom and maintained that it will be disrespectful to the many unsung soldiers who sacrificed their lives in the battle. He asserted it is high time the government forms a committee to research on Anglo-Manipuri War and rewrite the history. On the other hand, Johnson drew the attention of the government to look into the conduct of the NSC and IM to include 9 villages of Aimal community in Naga tribe list and warned the outfit to shun the idea of ethnic polarization. Editor-in-Chief of Impact News, Yumnam Rupachandra renowned historian Nauram Joykumar, Chairman of Justice Committee 1891, H. Ibotombi Kuman, and family members of the freedom fighters of Anglo-Manipuri War 1891 attended the event.
Ngasi report tauriba Aimol traffic case yam kuiraba case amaneba mamangi chahidagi haurakanda ngasagi 1993 da ethnic class ama thoktuna mioi lisingi matakta hatkibado sigumba akogi ethnic polarization ki campaign nama laulhoba luf NSN IM koba amna chathagi bane haibase koi khanga bane still adugi group tuna ngasi fawbuda mamangi chahidagi haurakanda pressure pirakanda khun mapan leiba jaga amada Aimol gi tribe ta mari mangam khoina paisel lakanda forcibly convert tawni Haidana Tauriba Naganization ki process immediately hold to Bioba. NSN IM the UCM ki Makai High withdraw to Bio. Prazadi Puning Padabu, at the government su Sidai Tawiaba, Koi Tabaxing Sekoi Tauseva, Koi Yengaga Legumsi.
Lok Janashakti Party, Manipur State Unit observed the Kongjom Day at its office in Babupara today. Party members offered floral tributes and observed 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to the martyrs. Kongjom Day in commemoration of the Anglo-Manipuri War of 1891, where a handful of Manipuri soldiers fought against the British imperialists and laid down their lives in different parts of the state, was also observed at the office of Huyen Lalong Manipur Thangta Cultural Association in Irilbong at Imphal East today. Huyen Lalong Manipuri Thangta Cultural Association and Patriotic Writers Forum Manipur observed the day by paying floral tributes at the portraits of Pauna Brajabasi, Koireng Sana, Thangal General and other freedom fighters. Speaking on the occasion, founder of Zenit Academy, as Manauton said, lack of weapon and armed forces differences among the soldiers, self-centeredness and shallow-mindedness of the leaders led to the defeat in the hands of the mighty British in the battle. He said that it is a time that people of the state unite to proceed towards a developed society.
Number 3, Lamjan University City Marata, Wakuro Theatre, Marata Mandala. Number 4, Lam Shukala, Shomini, Ganeso to the bar, Tokataba, Shom Snato, Novi, Yoga, Lutin Bamu, Miago, Hunter Tony, Wakuro Lapa, Maduna, Kongo Lam, City Kapoya, in the Power. Amasung aroida Kongjom lang dan lang sana musuh lot mengenai kehilangan sini ekor juga yang bersinahan kalau zaman mengenai
Bengal Political Forum PPF Manipur in a press release informed that the organization also observed Kongjom Day today and paid tributes to the war martyrs at its office in Hatta. President of BJP Manipur Pradesh KSH Bhabananda said that no one can take political mileage out of a state's unique history. Bhabananda was speaking at the Kongjom Day observance at BJP office in Nittepa to take this afternoon. He said, though the significant historic events of the state is at present in controversy, the people of Manipur must respect the spirit of patriotism of the war heroes and observe the day. Observation of Kongjom Day is one among the 6 mandatory events, including 4 national and 2 state events that BJP government observes under the supervision of the central government. Bhabananda further expressed that one should understand the significance of the history for building a better future. Former President of BJP, T.H. Chauba, Party Vice President Jotin Waikom, Z. Kikonbao and other party members attended the observance. Speakers at the event spoke on the patriotism and unity of the people of Manipur in the past and called on for unity and brotherhood among all communities for strengthening the state. People paid floral tribute at the portrait of Pauna Brajabasi at the event.
Thang paiba, Jungoi paiba, te ta paiba kuina, lan tingnen na changjin basi. Sigi spirit tu ni kuina ngasi kuina observe to yusi. Matam duda Pauna Brajabasi ku thangalam biyai. Loina ma ku surrender torum biyai. Surrender to buya option to load na kuina British ku malami ma lan tingnaraga. Lanfam the senior Havase, Masiki patriotism to Yakina Maduki significance in the Bharatiya Janata Party now. Masiki Maru significance the Laura and Yakina celebrate of Jerivasi. I history is unique Naharaga, I political advantage low the Akoi Madu Yaning the Valley. Akoi Manipur history is unique. Every history is unique.
Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur Daysam organized a blood donation camp at CG Hospital in connection with Kongtom Day today. Around 100 Daysam volunteers donated blood at the camp. One blood donor said that blood donation camp was held in memory of Kongtom war heroes. The blood donation camp will be continued at RIMS Hospital tomorrow. Apunba Manipur Kanba Imalup Amkil in a press release said that floral tributes were paid to the martyrs of April War of 1891 today. The memorial event was jointly organized by Nongchup Imphal Maira Paipi Lup and Amkil at the conference hall of Amkil. All Manipur Students Union AMSU organized a motorcycle rally on the theme Athawa Singhi Kongul Liba Kongchet to commemorate the Kongtom Day. The motorcycle rally was flagged off by advisor AMSU Y Dhiren from Kangla Gate around 10 this morning. More than 300 AMSU volunteers took part in the rally. They offered floral tribute to the freedom fighters at the memorial site in Kongtom. Speaking at the sidelines, President AMSU Manjit Sarangtham said the rally was organized to pay tributes and homage to the Manipuri soldiers who fought bravely against the mighty British and to bring unity at the wake of divisive force threatening the state. Pauna Brajabasi Foundation Tripura Manipur and Puthiba Welfare and Cultural Society also jointly observed the Kongtom Day in Tripura today. Statue of the mighty Major Pauna Brajabasi of Manipur installed in front of Iputhau Puthibal Laibung at Aboynagar in Tripura was also unveiled by the Revenue Minister of Tripura government, Narendra Chandra Devarma, to mark the day. The month-long 5th anniversary observance of High Court of Manipur concluded today. Taking part in the event held at the auditorium of the High Court, Chief Minister Biren has asserted that the state government is putting efforts on priority to fill the lacking facilities of the first-rate court set up to counter crimes against women and to ban intoxicating substances in the state. The Chief Minister also assured to induct judiciary officer by taking a cabinet decision. Chief Minister Biren said the High Court of Manipur is providing judicial benefit to the people since its establishment. He said executive, legislative and judicial systems are the requisite of the democratic country. Biren said officials of the judiciary and legislatures are working selflessly for the public. The Chief Minister maintained that the government is able to function properly because of the existence of the judiciary system. On the other hand, Biren assured to look into the construction works of the Judiciary Academy and hand over the works to the diligent contractors to complete the works if the need arises. The Chief Minister also drew the attention of the top officials of the High Court of Manipur to extend judicial help to check the rising cyber crimes in the state.
Fast track court link judge later. Nana Tabada, a judge do any pui hebra, Sumberland Kande. The Yaraga issue a request of doing any puan the bida from our part of Hapse, Adokosiki, crime against women do ne. Otherwise, when once established over function hograba, NDB key Adogi judge do ne. Crime drugs deal down no begidone. High Anisimadi, Fazana specially split up Torga Tonganaba, Tongana separate judge 8 Manjaningi. tangai fadana karam bada kari darkar lebi gi haiba tawdu yada ba haiba do madu gi potuma koi law secretary su leire amtang tawbiraga koi aingonda detail amtang pibiraga tangai fadaba singdo ai soidana ai kano tawna ba cabinet kai da puthoga mayam gi khudong sabadu kitang phangnana ba miyam da adi ai hona jage.
Taking part in the event, Law Minister L. Jentukumar said the judicial difficulties of the people of the state have been dealt with after the High Court of Manipur was established. He said people of the state must abide by the law. The minister said it is the aim of the government to aid essential infrastructures to strengthen the judicial system of the state despite the budget constraints. Chief Minister Biren also released a souvenir in connection with the 5th anniversary of the court on the occasion. Acting Chief Justice of High Court of Manipur and Koteshwar, Judge of High Court of Manipur, Justice K.H. Nobin, Advocate General and Kumarjit, Chairman of Bar Council of Manipur, O. Madhu Chandra, President of High Court Bar Association of Manipur, H.S. Paunam, and President of All Manipur Bar Association, H. Chandrajit, were among those present at the event.
I chagin in Havagi tuition channel motorcycle car label on Dragaso. I chagin have a minimum requirement, like plane of my hundred lane of Amsum, Sarah and then about the home to happen because it is the responsibility of the government. Government responsibility. Madaki, I hand put like the Vanamarum, and now each other young hand put home Marishan, a label on the motorcycle, with label on the button to one big body or Jeragasu. Tangai, but was in secret of the कोई पैसा लेते हैं ना है भी हम फिर पुराने पैसा ले बता बने लेने बच्चे बता बने अदना मतलब कि एंगल जो ये आगा तो पैसा फन्याम ले रहा हो तो मैं आम के ले रहा ब्लेसिंग तो मैं आम ले रहा कोऑपरेशन जाओ तक दे थप का मैं तो पंक्तों पर है पैसे ना मैं तो.
President of All Manipur United Clubs Organization Amuko, P.H. Deban, drew attention of the government for immediate or long-term intervention measures to help surviving family members in the unfortunate death of breadwinners and road accidents. Devan made a statement while visiting two siblings orphaned by road accidents to extend monetary assistance today. It may be recalled that a woman and her 9-month-old infant died on the spot when the auto rickshaw they were traveling in collided with a Tata truck at Sakmai, Dongyang on April 11th. The woman was bringing her husband's lifeless body from the hospital, who had earlier succumbed to injuries from an accident. With that of both the parents in road accidents, the two siblings are left under a care of local Maira Paivis. The Amuko president sought for people's support and assistance for the children. Devan also said that a meeting will be convened soon with the locals to come up with ways and means to provide secure future for the orphans.
सरकार की माइकईदगी अखोगी अचौबा थौदांग अमा लौबिरगांदा यामना थुबा मखोई हुजिक लाइक लाइसु तंबा कनाना केयर लौबिगदोरी मखोगी अना आये तौबदबुसिदा लैकाईगी क्लब मैरा पाइबी खरना तौरिसु नोमगी हिंगननबु होनबगी यामना अवाबा खुन अमखक ओई हारिबा खुनजे मसिना कयाम कुइना लौबिगदोनो कनामता लेहौद्रबा खुदोंग थिबा नंगबा खुदक की ओइबसे मसि रिलीफ अमा पिननबा अदुगा मागी तुंग कोइना चनबा याबा पॉलिसी अमखक अखोगी सरकारना लौथोकपिरगदि यामना फजबा मणिपुर मियामगी अपामबदु ओइगनिना आई थमजनिंगी.
3 different organizations of Sagol Mang have clarified that there was no incident of any physical harassment to the advisor of PDCC, Bobo Chobi, alias BC Tikcham. Representatives of Development Committee Sagol Mang Women, Prohibition Committee Sagol Mang and Sagol Mang Progressive Youth Club told media persons at Manipur Press Club today that a meeting was convened in connection with the relocation of the construction site for the district hospital from Sagol Mang on April 20th. President of Women Provision Committee Sagolman Laukam Memthoibi alleged that BC Tikcham and his brother Wansur Chandra gave incident responses setting aside the interests of the people while expressing their opinions in connection with the construction of the district hospital and Sagolman at the meeting. She said heated arguments were exchanged but no one raised hands on them and Manipur police was a witness. However, on the contrary, BC Tikcham filed a police complaint against the Secretary and Assistant Secretary and Development Committee Sagolmang, which led to their arrests. The organization demanded release of the two arrested at the earliest.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜꯁꯤ ꯍꯣꯡꯗꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯐꯔꯦꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯍꯩꯁꯤꯃꯈꯛ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯟꯖꯥ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯀꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯕꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯦꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯉꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯄꯥꯎꯈꯨꯝꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯉꯥꯡꯅꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯞ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯆꯤꯡꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯗꯨꯅꯦꯕ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯦꯞꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯎꯈꯨꯝꯁꯦ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯖꯕꯩ ꯋꯥꯗꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯐꯨꯕ ꯆꯩꯕ ꯀꯔꯤꯝꯇ ꯌꯥꯎꯈꯤꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯀꯣ ꯐꯨꯕ ꯆꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯐꯥꯔꯤꯌꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯄꯨ ꯐꯨꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯗꯥꯡꯗꯨꯗ ꯇꯨꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯄꯦꯠꯇꯅꯦ ꯋꯥ ꯉꯥꯡꯉꯤꯀꯣ ꯐꯨꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯉꯥꯡꯉꯣꯏꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯀꯔꯤꯝ ꯊꯥꯈꯤꯕ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ.
Sinam Youth Development Club in a press release condemned the relocation of the construction site for the Imphal East District Hospital from Sagolmang to Kairao. The club called on the Chief Minister and the Health Minister to introspect on the matter and appeal to construct a district hospital at Sagolmang. Sunshine Library Union has also condemned the sudden decision of the government to shift the construction site of Imphal East District Hospital from Sagolmang to Kiamgai in Kairao constituency. In a press release, the union urged the government to reach an agreement with the JAC against unnatural shifting of Imphal East District Hospital Sagolmang and begin the construction work. We regret to inform to all our Impact TV viewers that due to poor satellite signal, we are unable to telecast all channels. Impact TV is making all-out efforts to rectify the technical glitch at the earliest. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the 29th Road Safety Week 2018 held under the Directorate of Transports that kicked off at ISBT Complex in Komalam Park today. Keep watching Impact News. In Primetime English News. The 29th Road Safety Week 2018 under the Directorate of Transports kicked off at ISBT Complex in Kobanlam Park, organized by Institute of Drivers Training and Research Center, Manipur today. Speaking at the launch, Commissioner of Directorate of Transport, IAS M. Lakshmi Kumar said that the awareness program is being held to reduce the increasing inconveniences caused by traffic volumes in the state. He lamented that people of the state hardly follow the traffic rules and asserted that the traffic police alone cannot solve the problem, but people also ought to abide by the traffic rules. Lakshmi Kumar also called on to hold such awareness program by the department concerned from time to time. Mobile awareness programs were held at sensitive traffic island in Imphal city as a part of the awareness week today. Director of the Directorate of Transports C. Arthur and SP Traffic Control Wing Imphal city Kate Sharma were among those present at the event.
Responsibilities of traffic, motor vehicle, police, some kind of a movement purposeful level of accidents, level of traffic violations.
Rajiv Gandhi Panchayati Raj Sangathan RGPRS Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee organized a one-day workshop on empowerment of Panchayati Raj institutes in Manipur at MPCC Hall today. Speaking at the event, National Convener of RGPRS IC Northeast Subhamitra Gogoi said there is a need to promote Panchayati Raj Sangathan Committee at the grassroots level. Subhamitra has said implementation of Panchayati Raj system at every state was introduced in a 73rd Amendment Bill on April 24th in 1992 when Congress was in power. He said the Panchayati Raj system helped in development of the remote villages of the country. He maintained that a country cannot be developed without the development of its villages and hence called on the 60 Zilla Parishad members of the state to discharge their duties with sincerity. MLA of Nambol constituency and Loken Zilla Parishad members, Pradhan and members attended the event.
सोनिया मैडम जी का प्रयास है 2007 में आप लोग को पता होगा कि सोनिया मैडम जी ने जो उस समय यूपीए का चेयरमैन रहा फिर कांग्रेस का अध्यक्ष रहा उस समय तो उसने उसका प्रयास रहा कि कांग्रेस के अंदर ही एक राजीव गांधी पंचायती राज संगठन जन्म हो, जिसके जरिए हम लोगों के बीच में जो पंचायत लेवल काम होता है उसका हम लोगों को बीच में ले जा सकें और लोगों को एम्पावर कर सकें। जैसे सोनिया जी ने मनमोहन जी के जरिए यूपीए सरकार के जरिए महिलाओं को आगे लाने का काम किया। महिलाओं को जो पहले 33% रिजर्वेशन था, पंचायतों में 50% रिजर्वेशन का एक लाइन तय कर दिया, एक 50% रिजर्वेशन।
MLA of Ketrigao Assembly Constituency, Nahakpam Indrajit, has reiterated that Ketrigao constituency will be made into a drug-free constituency within 2 months. He made the statement at the inaugural function of Miyamgi Anauba Bhagaban Mandap at Tambalkon today. MLA Indrajit also released a photo magazine depicting all achievements in Ketrigao constituency since his inception as MLA of the constituency. Speaking to media persons at the sideline, MLA Indrajit said there are only few individuals left in the constituency who are still dealing with drugs. He said those few individuals will be sanitized within 2 months to make Ketrigao constituency a drug-free constituency. Indrajit also highlighted various achievements and future developmental projects in the constituency during his tenure and stated that achievements attained during 2017-2018 are published in the book. The MLA maintained that he preferred public to witness welfare works initiated by him in action rather than mere announcement of developmental projects to be undertaken.
Hoi ni sai basi ai khakte na tingma ngam badira ti adubu ai ki Ketrigao kendra sida hana ni sa je tingma pamamaga power leiram dabu moi da mating pangbina ba backing leiram da bai tare adubu ai ga moi ga mot manaraga lekai kendra sigi ai bu support pada to bire ujite aduna Ketrigao kendra da ai kan bada tha ani hum da di hujik su adu ke batik sa ba laktre yun bu su pangdre guli lei pangdre adu sam khara leiri aso ba kra changak ba ikai ba hangoi ba khara leiri adu masi ai tha ani ngi manung da ai Ketrigao kendra ja han boina loisan gya bje ai wasak ne bje aina ngasi press ki thongna thamjari.
Forest and Environment Minister and MLA of Andro, T.H. Shyamkumar, inaugurated toilets of scheduled caste girls hostel at Andro, Laupauchum today. The toilets constructed under Mahot Department also provide pay and use facility. The minister also inspects the construction works of the school and on this hostel campus for school dropout girls. Shyamkumar expressed happiness that most of the construction works of the school have been completed. Speaking to media persons, the minister said the school from class 9 to class 12 will provide facility to girls of the constituency to study, and if the need arises, people from other constituencies will be allowed to study at the school on selection basis. He further appealed to the people of the state to cooperate with the developmental works initiated by Chief Minister N. Biren-led government.
India ke tongan ba state ke lagba tourism amadi foreign dagi tongan ba country lagba tourism ya sigi yenga kanda laiba andro da laiba sikogi parking khudong sa da mayam do adu kong gu demakta andro ke development ga tanar kanda khoi saba si toilet ne nakanda laiba buildings na handakta onemus minister na mai masing tambang am hogdra ba laiba khoigi keno si class keno ki 12 phog laiba satra sing do adugi moigi mafam ne moi tambam koi draw by school sing do ki mafam tamam ne tamong da angang sing do school se sanga ka da he tamning ma pokna ba amadi ai se tamda theng bai te ba khalon do adu pohal laga adu ki thim da ondama se minister ki manglan anong government ase ki koi ki dream amadi praja ga samnar ka da tawgada badung ba sangni koi ngase sari myam sing.
People for Animals Manipur relocated various rare wild animals at Yangongpokpi Wildlife Sanctuary along with Manipur Forest Department on April 20th in connection with the World Art Day. Two Burmese pythons, one Bengal slow loris, one Asian brown tortoise, one steppe eagle and two rhesus monkey rescued from different parts of the state were provided necessary medical assistance at PFA Manipur. The relocation of the animals were executed with the support and approval of Wildlife Section of Manipur Forest Department. PFA volunteers along with RO and staff of Yangongpokpi Wildlife Sanctuary went deep inside the sanctuary to release the animals. PFA Manipur asserted that rearing, keeping, rescuing or hunting of wildlife animals by unauthorized individuals is against the law and appealed to the public to inform about distressed animal to PFA Manipur or the Forest Department. Officer in charge of Nungba police station in a press release said a pedestrian was hit and killed by a truck on National Highway 37 at Nungkao village part 2 under Nungba police station yesterday around 12 noon. The registration number and details of the driver is yet to ascertain. The press release said that the body is kept at Jennings mortuary for identification. Manipur State Sumanglela Council organized a program in memory of Sumanglela artist Huirem Ibomcha, popularly known as Lili Sabi, at the residence of the deceased artist in Hiangthang, Maningleikai today. Artist Ibomcha alias Kora died of heart release ailment on April 17th at RIMS Hospital at the age of 68. He survived by his wife, one son and 3 daughters. He ventured in the field of Sumanglela in 1972 and since then had contributed significantly in promoting the art form through his varied performances. Some of his memorable performances are from the plays Chagi Kuzi, Mau Ahum Ningol Angaubi, Apunba Kolau, etc. Manipur State Sumanglela Council conferred him with Tokchom Iboyaima Award in reverence to his contribution at the Sumanglela Day observance on April 12th this year. Speaking to media persons, Lifetime Secretary of the Council S. Hemanta stated that Huirem Ibomcha's death will remain a big void in Sumanglela. He further mentioned that amongst all the other artists, the Sumanglela artists are the least fortunate ones. Hemanta hoped that the government will consider Sumanglela artists while framing a cultural policy.
My power kupaudo. Adu kupaudo man la yaudra kan mate darlo nem dhare na ko. Mina su ko biraro adu magi personality su wasalani magi sanapam handarak padane ba man ngaur ado masih taseng naik targeti asumaina handarakpa si lengang na yang jalaningi aduna Manipur sarkar na kalse polisi sembi matamda sumang lagi kalakar sing artis sing ai bisingi kari tohon sige haina ko yang kanna sangan janingi maruina amukaina laibak thiri se sumang lagi kalakar sing sini amukaina laibak thiri se sumang lagi nupi sabi sing sini.
One-day seminar on Manipuri literature, Kongjom War, was held at the hall of Jain Manipur Dance Academy today. Asailup Manipur and Jain Manipur Dance Academy jointly organized a seminar. Dr. Naurim Sanatombe presented paper on Kongjom War and poetry before 1980s, while Dr. Wahengbam Kumari Chanu presented paper on Kongjom War and poetry after 1980s in the first session of the seminar. While in the second session of the seminar, Dr. Koichum Santibala presented paper on Kongjom War in dramas and Dr. Roshan Tekcham presented paper on Kongjom War in fictions. President of Asailup, Dilip Mayengbam, and Director of Jain Manipur Dance Academy, L. Upendra Sharma, were among those present at the seminar. Manipur Library Association Mala in a press release said that the association joined a World and Observing World Book Day under the sponsorship of the Department of Art and Culture. The first death anniversary of renowned teacher of Manohar Sar G. Bogendro Sharma was observed today. The month-long workshop cum production program of Manohar Shai, organized under the supervision of Manohar Shai, singer P. Babina, also concluded on the occasion. The observance was held at Shri Nityananda Prabhu Mandap in Uripok, Taurangbam, Laikai. Organized by Manipuri Manohar Shai Sabha, people present at the paper offered floral tribute at the portrait of Bhagindro. Speakers at the event appealed to the people of the state to promote Manohar Shai, which is on the verge of extinction. Subol Bes, a song by singer K.R.K. Sunil and coal artist D. Dijamani Sharma, was also performed at the event. Kada Langol Laimanai branch in collaboration with the inhabitants of Langtungcheng village, Laimanai Makha Maning Laikai, Laimanai Kabui, Ramgailong, Laimanai Mamang Laikai, and Laimanai Makai Laikai organized a social service camp at Langol Laimanai to mark the Kongjom Day observance day. The social service was held with the assertion that clean environment is essential for a healthy society. Altogether, 100 volunteers took part at the social service. All More Auto Owners and Drivers Welfare Association today donated food items to fire victims of April 19th at Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gate No. 2, where 8 houses were set ablaze. Members of all Moray Auto Owners and Drivers Welfare Association, led by its president J. Kongsai and General Secretary M. Birin, provided 10 kg of pulses, a rice bag each and other items to the families around 10 this morning. Indo-Myanmar Association IMA observed its 23rd Foundation Day at the residence of Haleshwar Goswami in Wangkai Konsam Laikai today. This course of strengthening the relation between Manipuris settling in Myanmar and the state. Floral tributes were also offered to freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives in the Kongjom War. Several eminent personalities of the state attended the event. Kontaujam Kendra for a Change extended financial help and donated other items yesterday to Komdrang Gambhir, who recently returned home after he went missing for 40 years ago. The association also urged MP Dr. T. Maina and MLA Kontaujam Dr. Sapam Ranjan to provide possible government schemes to Gambhir, and also lauded all those who took initiatives in bringing him back to his hometown. The association donated 1 bag of rice, 10 kg of pulses, 1 packet of salt and 2,000 rupees in cash. Now to sports news. Neroka Football Club held Neroka Award Night at Classic Grande last night. It may be mentioned that after clinching the champion title of the Hero 2nd Division League in 2017, under the aegis of AIFF, Neroka Football Club clinched the runners-up title in the Hero I League 2017-18. The football club also entered the quarter-final of the recently held Super Cup. Team members and officials of Neroka FC were felicitated at the award night. Best coach was conferred to Gift Raikan, best goalkeeper to Lalit Thapa, best defender to Kalon Kiatamba, junior best midfielder to Aryan Glenn Williams, best striker to Orderly Flex Chiri, most promising player to Ngasepam Tondonba, player of the season to Singam Subhas, and Neroka best fan to LD Peswar. Minister YAS led Pao Hawkip, MLA Sagolban Constituency RK Imu, MLA Kontaujam Constituency S. Ranjan, and Managing Director of Neroka FC Dr. T.H. Dubli were among those present at the event. Speaking on the occasion, Manager of Neroka FC T.H. Arun Kumar appealed for cooperation and motivation for the players in future. District Amateur Bodybuilders Association Daba Bishnupur in a press release said that a 6th district level Mr. Sapaba contest, Manipur level Mr. Sapaba contest and men physique contest to be conducted by the association under the aegis of Manipur Amateur Bodybuilders Association on April 28 and 29 has been postponed to April 29 and 30. Cyclone Thangwayban will meet Champ Kang and play in the final of the 4th MCA W Pralada and W Ramananda Elite Cricket Tournament. Winning the toss in a qualifying match of the tournament played at Luang Pokpa Cricket Stadium in Luang Sangbam, Champ Kang and play batted first and scored 179 in 28 overs with 7 wickets down. Champ Kang and play Sultan scored 53 runs from 32 balls while Arpit Rao scored 39 runs. The rival Trau Kwakatel scored 165 runs with 7 wickets down in 28 overs and lost to Champ Kang and play by 14 runs. In this inning, Rohit scored 62 runs from 33 balls while Raj Singh scored 40 runs. Batsman of Champ Kang and play Sultan, who scored 53 runs from 32 balls, was awarded the man of the match title. Before we end the bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. People pay tributes to Manipuri martyrs who sacrificed their lives for the freedom of their motherland on Kongjom Day. Month-long 5th anniversary observance of High Court of Manipur concludes today. Chief Minister Biren says efforts on priority basis are on to fill in inadequacies of the fast-track court. And Amuko appeals government for immediate or long-term interventions for helping surviving family members of road accidents is the unfortunate death of the breadwinner.